Welcome to our Early Child Educational Reel series. Today, we delve into the critical roles educator plays in shaping the development of children between the ages 2 and 4. At this crucial stage of life, children are like sponges, absorbing the information and experiences around them at a rapid pace. Educators act as guides, providing a nurturing environment which is necessary for the optimal growth and development. Educators provide guidance and support to the young children as they explore the world around them. They offer reassurance, encouragement, and gentle correction, fostering a sense of security and confidence. Through play based activities, they encourage the child to engage in hands on learning activities, which enhances their cognitive abilities and problem solving skills. Our educators at Smartelix Kidz have a minimum experience of 8 years in early childhood care and development. Visit us once to know how we can contribute to the holistic growth of your kid, setting the stage for his lifelong growth and success.